How's it going, everybody? In this video, what I'm going to do is go over a bicycle cover or scooter cover from the company PALON. Protect your motorcycle from sun, rain, dust, high quality materials. More improved waterproofing and durability. Reserved lock hole design makes the cover the tight protection and waterproof protection. Fluorescent striping design on the side, which is this right here. Let me just kind of like go over mine right here. Now, they come in a lot of different sizes, but the one I got was just the smallest size that they had available, and I'll show you kind of some of the features on it. You can see how I have it on my little small 20-inch folding e-bike. You get reflective striping going down right there. This is a waterproofing UV protected coating. This material feels very durable. It doesn't feel like it's going to rip easily. These go on the handlebars, so you can see my handlebars are a little shorter, but they can accommodate a wide handlebar. You got the logo there, and here's one of the coolest features on it. Actually, let me show you this. So you're looking right here, and you see this hole right here? Well, there's a hole on the front and a hole on the back, and look what I ran through here. So what is that for? You can run a U-shaped lock, but I actually have one of these chain locks. This is the Wegan, I think Wegan bike chain that has the cover on it. Really good bike chain. I actually will like use this a lot. I like this chain right here, and it just runs through these holes, runs through the spoke tires just like that, and locks it in place. You have an additional lock. It just clicks together right there. You have a little latching mechanism right there where you can pull it tight. And I think this right here can be an additional tie down if you wanted to. But what I'm going to do is just have this, and I needed something to cover my bike, keep it out of the rain, keep it out of the snow, you know, the water. Let's just pull it up. I'll show you how easily this thing goes on. Here's the bike I actually have in here. It's the Hitway BK6. I'm not going to take it off all the way, but look how nicely it covers it up. I think this is something everybody should get that just has like a bicycle that they're leaving sitting outside. You shouldn't leave these out in the weather. That's all I got today, everybody, on the PALON bike cover. See you all in the next video.